check it out. Jerry got a seat pan for us to use. Huh? Now we can finish making the sissy bar. Still waiting on the battery box, the correct battery box to come in. But we'll get that soon. So we're going to attempt to finish taking our hacked up sissy bar here that we welded these on the end of, and we're going to make some tabs. I got some stainless flat stock, and we're going to take these bungs and we're going to cut them bungs down, but I'm going to make tabs that come right off that will weld onto the sissy. Bolt these to it, figure out how long they need to be, weld these to the fender, and then we'll find a way to meet these in the middle at the top there. I guess really we need to go over. Oh shit! Take all these and put them right there. Magnetos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one side and then make it match. Sharpay out here. So I'm going to take this and we're going to draw. We're just going to do a little tracing. Give it just a little bit away from the bar. We don't want it super far away. Okay. Well, son of a gun. So you can see what we've done. We're going to trim that off straight, and it'll be the exact size of our bung. We'll start by drilling the hole. Better get some glasses. So now we should be able to I'm just a little off my line, but I can now use the bung being in there as a guide, and I'll redraw it on the back side here. And then what I can do is I can take this one and use it as a template to make a second one. This way. Oh, bolt the bung back to it here. These are hot. What we're going to do is we're going to trace a couple of these, but I'm going to start with this other flat edge and trace it off that. I'm going to set it apart. It's just those little subtle details, and it's a little time consuming. And what I wanted the seat so I didn't have the sissy bar going like way up here. You know what I mean? We want it right at the back of the seat, so if somebody's riding, if you got you a passenger, then you know you're going to be good. Little bungs are going to be tiny. We'll have to get a shorter bolt, I think. She's a hot potato. Yowza. Oh, there we go. Shorty. So here's the assembly we have now. We have our bung, our tab, with our bolt. Now we can hold it where we want it to go and tack it all together. Oh, shit. Woo. This is pro level welding shit right here. Use your knee to be able to get these to fuse. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, that's hot on my finger. Hey. That'll happen sometimes. Ugh. Tack it up, Terry. See that pro? I'm not pro at all. I fucking kind of suck at TIG welding, honestly. So like, ooh, blind myself. I need a filler rod. Lord have mercy. Looky there, baby. Look at the side view. I like it. It looks good. We don't need a 20-minute montage of fast-forward clips of me remaking it for the other side. So I'll get it done, and then we'll come back with it ready to figure out how to bring it all together.